Well, Friday, July the 3rd, and just because of the hue of the light here, things might look a little changed, but I can tell from a distance that everything has been primed now, and look how beautiful this looks. Probably still wet paint because I can still smell the paint, but they got everything primed on the inside. I don't think I've ever seen this done on any of the machines where we've been able to do this. So, and I know Dad has been wanting to do this for quite some time. So we got the big fan out in the shop, and it's just airing everything out. But look at that, look how beautiful that looks. Now this is just the prime job, guys, and this is what they just started off with. So this is just the inside. Dad is still going to continue to sand and buff out all these other rough spots on the machine on the outside, and we're busy doing something else down there. I don't know what, but it sure looks beautiful. It looks nice and clean and perfect, and just look at this on the inside. It's because the machines are always so damn old when they come in here. It's sometimes 70 years worth of rust. But being able to cut out the floor and put in the new floor, and then also do all those necessary repairs and put in new steel in there, you know, it gives Dad a chance to, you know, do it the right way. And the customer really doesn't want to have to fool around with his machine once it's done. Didn't want a half-assed job. This is why he's invested so much into this machine, to make sure it's being done right. And it sure looks beautiful. They would have spent probably all day on this. Dad washed it out to about 2-3 times with Aidan there, pressure washed everything. And looks like they're taking the wheels off here for some reason. I'll ask them later on what they're doing. But yeah, they got probably going to install or prime these bumpers as well, and they're checking out those tires. I know both of those front tires were flat, and we are going to foam fill all the customers' tires because that's what he wants. So I still got to find a place in the city that'll do that. So if anybody knows a place in Winnipeg that can do that, let me know. I'd very much appreciate it. You can either comment below or send me a Facebook message, because that's what we need to do, is get those next big project is that. And when Dad and Aidan start finishing off with this paint job, they're going to start reinstalling stuff, and it's going to be a quick project. Oh, that's what they're doing. Okay, hold on. So yeah, I was just told to stop videoing so we could move it, and that's all we're going to do, is just moving it forward here. And it's likely that those tires are just flat. That was giving these guys enough grief. And so a little smell of paint in the shop, not much, but Friday afternoon here, beautiful day. Kind of be light rain tomorrow, I think. And they still have this project here where they got to cut out the steel for the back to make a new back door, and they got this chug cut out already. They got to work on the diff. Engine's all ready to go. It's just got to be installed as well. So yeah, I got to figure out those tires really quick, and what's going to be happening there. So we got 2 for the front there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's got to be more, because we're going to need 8. So I think all the tires are supposed to be here. Anyway, so yeah, this is what they've been doing here all day, and we'll check in with the dogs here right away, and the cat, and these guys will be having a wet right away. So pretty happy with the progress today. Oh, and I forgot to do the shout out here to Mr. and Mrs. Steve McCoy and Jeff Anderson, and Mr. and Mrs. Clarence Olson, and my Auntie Joyce, and everybody else that wants a comment or a shout out. Make sure you put your name below, or let me see your handle, and I'll give you guys a shout out. Again, it's July 3rd. Anybody wants to come for a visit, by all means, but you're going to have to either come through Winnipeg or come through Flin Flon right now, because everywhere south of us is completely flooded out due to the rains. Well, since it's the weekend, the neighbors' dogs are gone, so Charlie and Emily get extra treats. So this is the best part of the day for them. They just love this. Pecker-headed cat is get his squeezable treats and his meow mix treats. Just loves it. Booked off 10 after 5. It's just sacked out, ready for an evening nap.